Have you been told cervical fusion is your only option? Anterior cervical discectomy and fusion, posterior cervical fusion? Well, it's not. I'm Dr. Ara Deukmedjian, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. For 30 years, my focus has been curing people's back and neck pain. We've discovered a new alternative, minimally invasive, outpatient, all done with a 1/4-inch incision, no bleeding, and no post-operative narcotic pain medications. We've never had a complication. The Deuk Laser Disc Repair uses laser spine surgery and endoscopic technology to repair damaged discs rather than remove them and fuse bones. With fusion, you're losing natural movement, and you have all the complications related with fusions like adjacent segment disease. Before you agree to getting a fusion done, please take our free MRI review virtual consultation. You can find the link on our website. You'll spend 10 minutes with me making a diagnosis and hearing about a better, safer option.